creating a brand new React application into Node.js, first open your internet browser and the Google search for install Node.js via PPA, and from here click on this second website, which is nodejs.org. Now from here click on this Debian Ubuntu based Linux distribution, and from here click on this Node.js binary distribution. So it will redirect you on a new GitHub page. Now from here little bit scroll down, we will install the latest version of uh, Node.js. So from here as you can see, it shows Debian and Ubuntu based distribution. Click on install instruction, and from here you need to just copy this thing. So I will copy this thing. After opening terminal, just paste the link by Ctrl Shift V and hit enter. Provide your super user password and hit enter. So it will install some types of thing. Now we also need a good text editor, which is VS Code. So in the Google search for VS Code and click on this first link. Now from here click on this .deb file, and it will start download a VS Code.deb file. Okay, after the download, open your terminal, and from here clear all the things and type sudo apt-get and wait for few seconds to complete this. Now from here clear all the terminal and type node-v. As you can see, it shows the latest 20.0 version. Now type npm-v. It shows the npm version. Now type npx-v. It shows the npx version. Okay, now clear all the terminal, and from here we will install the VS Code. So now go to the downloads folder. Now from here we will convert this file into executable permission. So type sudo chmod +x and the installer name and hit enter. Now for installing this file, type sudo dpkg-i and then the file name and hit enter. So wait for few seconds. Okay, so as you can see, our VS Code got installed in our system. Now clear all the terminal. Okay, now close the browser. Now we will create a new React application inside our documents folder. So for that we need to go to our documents. So go to documents. So we will go to the documents. If I type pwd, so we are under the documents. Now from here if I type ls, as you can see there has only one file. Okay, now for creating a new React application, just type npx create react app and then the file name, or the React application name. In my case, let's say the React application is say micro apps and hit enter. So it will create a new React application by micro apps. So I type y and hit enter. So as you can see, it started download some types of files from its repository, and it started initializing all the things from its repository. So as you can see, it started initializing each and everything, and until this, if we search for code, so as you can see, this is VS Code. Okay, so wait for few seconds until this complete this every process. Okay, it started initializing react DOM and each and everything. So wait for few seconds. So as you can see, it's now installing the dependencies of npm. Okay, so as you can see, our system got installed. Now if I type here ls, so as you can see, this is our micro app. So we will go to our micro apps directory, and if I type here, let's say ls, so as you can see, this is all the React packages, node packages and each and everything. So we will open our VS Code from here. So just type code dot and it will open our VS Code into this directory. Now for running this React application, first clear the terminal and type npm and then type start. So as you can see, it started npm and it start the development server. As you can see, it started the React application. So as you can see, our React application started. So in this way you can install React application and start your all the development related tasks. So thank you guys for watching this video.